Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use Smart Lock to unlock your Oppo F19 Pro automatically. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, go to Settings. Scroll down and find Security. Tap on it. Now go to Smart Lock. Draw your current pattern. You will see several options. Go to On Body Detection. Toggle the slider to activate it. From the confirmation window, tap on Continue. From now on, this feature will use your phone's motion sensors to keep it unlocked while it's in your hand, your pocket or a bag. If it senses that you are in motion and you have unlocked your phone with any other method, it stays unlocked. Now go back. Then go to Trusted Places. Now tap on Add Trusted Place. From here you can select any location as trusted place to keep your phone unlocked whenever you are there. Now go to Trusted Devices. From here you can add any device as trusted device, such as Bluetooth or NFC devices, to keep your phone unlocked when that device is connected. So these are all the things you need to know about using the Smart Lock feature in Oppo F19 Pro. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.